AutoCAD is a premier 2D and 3D drafting tool used in a variety of fields, from architecture and engineering to landscaping and interior design. Originally created to replace drawing boards, it has two distinct working areas represented by different tabs: the Model tab and Layout tabs. The Model tab is where you'll do all of your actual design work, as well as place the vast majority of your annotations. In the drawing I have here, you can see that I have the floor plan for a two-story building drawn at a 1:1 scale. For designing, this 1:1 scale is great, but since the main purpose of AutoCAD is to communicate the design to others, the scale is restrictive. Instead of recreating different parts of the drawing at various scales throughout the model space, however, I can simply set up scaled viewports in the Layout tabs. I'll switch to one that I've already set up, and you can see that it has a viewport zoomed into the men's washroom with a scale of 1:20 listed on the title block. The viewport itself is simply a window into the model space, meaning that any updates made there will be displayed here as well. This setup also means that you can create as many layout tabs as you want, focusing on any number of different elements without having to worry about updating them. The layout tabs can then be easily printed and plotted for collaborative work. Taking advantage of this structure allows you to spend more time designing and less time updating.